Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the Safari cache and cookies on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Note that removing the cache of certain websites will log you out of the website if you are logged in. Open up Safari from the dock, then click Safari from the top left menu bar. Click Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose Privacy from the top of the settings. Then click Manage Website Data. You can select a website and click Remove to just remove the cookies and cache for that website. Or you can hold down the Command key while you select multiple websites, and then click Remove to remove multiple websites. If you would like to remove all website cookies and cache, then click Remove All. Click Remove Now on the pop-up. The Safari cache and cookies have now been cleared from your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.